Welcome to Worldwide Closers, where I teach 9 to 5 workers how to generate income on a daily through remote high ticket sales. Right, I'm Coach Jay. Of course, some people know me, some people do not. What I'm going to be going over today is exactly what is high ticket sales. Right, a lot of people do not know what high ticket sales even is, right? And then there's some people that know, because I will say that this year, ever since COVID, it's been growing at a rapid pace, right? But before I even go into that, I'm going to go over what I've been able to do. Why should you even listen to me? Why even entertain that dude, right? And then I do have my outline here, because sometimes my ass can go on a tangent, and get off of what it is that I came here to talk about, because I just, I like to connect with the people. All right. But the whole purpose of the channel, man, is to teach 9 to 5 workers how to generate income on a daily through remote high ticket sales. You don't have to quit your job. You can literally do this from anywhere. All you need is Wi-Fi, a laptop, cell phone. It does not matter. Okay. But I'm going to be teaching you how to get in this space, how to handle objections, the psychology of sales, right? The psychology of people, because I've taken a lot of courses. I read a lot of books, actively read a lot of books from doctors and psychologists. And I really want to help you get into this space, know more about this space. And if you're a coach or consultant and you're looking to sell a high ticket offer and don't even know the psychology of how to create it, how to sell it, here, hopefully I can provide you with all that information and you can take it and run with it. All right. So the goal is to just provide as much value as I can. Let's get into it, right? I'm 34 years old. Listen, I've been in sales since I was 14 years old. I was just in the wrong industry, which landed me in prison. All right. I've been in prison up until the age of 28. From the age of 14 to 28, I've been in and out of prison my whole life. In 6 years now, I'm super grateful to say I ain't going back. This is the longest I've ever been out. All right. But I haven't intentionally and consciously started knowing what I was doing when it came to sales until 2022. Okay. So I'm going to rewind you back to 2022, right? I started with an agency called Apex Closers, right? And I got certified through them. From 2022 to 2025, I've been able to close over 2.2 million, and we're still going, right? For online businesses, coaches, and consultants. Okay, I work with people like Aaron Van Kampen, Prada Jones, Mike the Businessman. I work for a company that is no longer here, right? Novatech. Okay, sorry if anybody fell a victim to Novatech, because it was a big rug pull. For those that know, but I closed a lot of money for that company. Princess Dior, Adrienne McGee. Nowadays, I don't close as much as I used to. I'm more of a sales manager role, and then I actually help build out online businesses, coaches, and consultants, sales infrastructure. Okay, so fast forward, I've taken Apex Closers, got certified through them, became a sales manager 8 months in when I was with Apex Closers. Fast forward, I've done Daniel G's World Class University. When that, taken Ty Lopez's Black Belt Sales Program and got certified as a closer for them. And that's that right now. I think that's the only client that I'm actually working with, closing products and services for, which is fairly recent when it comes to Ty Lopez, Tom Hopkins, Brian Tracy, Dan Locke, you name it. I'm familiar with them. Grant Cardone, Alex Hormozy, but all of them are great. Okay, all of them are great, and I'm still every chance I get, I am literally trying to learn more when it comes to sales. I'm listening to sales calls every single day. This, I breathe, I eat high ticket sales. Right now, high ticket sales is not like traditional sales. I used to do network marketing for a long period of time, 4 years. I've done door-to-door sales. You're talking about solar, AT&T, I've done it all. Okay, a lot of the companies, for the Aaron Van Kampen offer, I was head sales over there. The top closer, over there. Apex Closers, I was the top closer over there for quite some time. And matter of fact, listen, if you're looking to really learn how to sell, And if you want to go like outside of me, I highly recommend the agency Apex Closers. That's where I got my first start and first taste, real deal, like with high ticket sales. Shout out to my guy Ed, that's the owner of that agency, one of the biggest sales agency out of Atlanta, Georgia. All right, but yeah. Anyway, let's get to it. All right. So yeah, 2.2 million closed. I work with a lot of entrepreneurs and high level influencers. All right, like. What is it? What exactly can you expect? I can't even get it out today, but what exactly should you be expecting from this channel, right? High ticket sales, right? How to learn this space, how to find a job in this space. Because one of the hardest things that these high ticket coaches, because there's more than me out here that probably won't tell you that one of the hardest things to do is actually find an offer to get on. Okay. A good offer, and then you can expect at least a video a week. All right, anything more than a video a week, man, that's a bonus. I was just really feeling good. So like a video a week, and then I'm gonna sprinkle shorts throughout the week. Objection handling, job placement, yeah, the different personality types. Like a lot of the things that I talk about is definitely gonna be like techniques, tactics, but realistically like psychology, like for real, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go dive deep into those on the course of this channel. But without further ado, let's get to it, right? What exactly is high ticket sales? All right, so this is what high ticket sales is, right? When a person specializes in a certain expertise and they package up their expertise in a program or a product, right? And they sell it at a significant price point. Let's say 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 100,000, 1 million. All right, they sell that to individuals that are looking to get in the same industry that they are in and become great at it like they did. All right, now mind you, at one particular time they sold it themselves, right? But due to demand, due to more credibility, due to more traffic coming in, they could no longer do this on their own. So now they needed to hire help. Okay, now that's where we come in at as closers. All right, now what makes it high ticket is because of the price point. All right, high ticket is anywhere from 10,000 on up, but right now you could also include $5,000 in that too, right? Most leads will pay for anything via online or without human interaction up to like $1,000, up to like $2,000. Anything higher than 2,000, you kind of need a human involved, especially like at a $5,000 to $100,000 price point. All right, and closers, that's what we do. All right, so we partner up with online businesses, we partner up with coaches or consultants, and we sell their product or service for them. All right, now here is where it gets good, is that we don't have to worry about marketing. We don't have to worry about fulfillment. All right, you also don't have to worry about having good credit. Literally all you need to know is how to sell. All right, and of course you're on this channel, so you're gonna learn how to sell. And then if you like want to be placed on offers and looking for an opportunity, and you're a closer already, and like you still work a 9-to-5 job and you've done sales in the past, like you can work with me. I'll get you placed. It will come with an investment, but anyway, what is high ticket sales? That is high ticket sales. The business owner pays you commission. All right. If you're a very experienced closer, you can dictate a base pay plus commission. Industry standard is anywhere from 10% to 20%. All right. Now, most products or services that's under 5,000, you could expect, like 15%. All right. But when you start to get to that 5,000 on up, most of the percentages start to get lower, but industry standard is about 10%. Okay. Now, again, you can do this from anywhere. All right. All you need is Wi-Fi, all you need is a phone, or all you need is a laptop. Okay. You need to know how to sell. If you do not know how to sell, you can learn from this channel on exactly how to get in this space and how to start selling. All right. And if you want to learn from A to Z, like just continue to watch the videos, man. I'm gonna get you right. All right. So again, like how do you get into this space? It's all based off relationships. Or, right, one of my mentors say it's 3 ways to get to the table. You're going to either serve your way, you're going to earn your way, or you're going to pay your way. The quickest way to get there is to pay your way. All right. Now, I've paid to be on some offers before. Well, actually one. Let me not say some. I paid to get on one offer before. And I'm going to talk about the pros and cons in high ticket sales space, but we'll save that for a later video. But I really just want you to grab the concept that you can do this on your own time. You can literally dictate your own availability. All right. Realistically, you can work from 9 to 5. You can work from 8 to 5 at your regular job. And while you're off on weekends, you can take calls. You can do Zoom calls, close some deals. All right. And that's good enough, all right? Or you can get off from 8 to 5. You can get off at 5 p.m. and start taking calls from 6 to 9. It's totally up to you. Like, you could literally dictate your schedule, all right? Now, let's break it down. If you're on an offer and the particular program or product that you're selling costs $5,000, if you close that deal and let's just say your commission is at 10%, you're gonna make $1,000, right? Some business owners or some coaches, they may pay weekly, they may pay bi-weekly, they may pay monthly, all right? That's solely up to them. They'll let you know, and then if you are in agreement with it, boom, you got it, right? So let me put this in your mind frame. You can spend anywhere from 35 minutes to an hour on a call, and you close a person at 10,000, you just made $1,000 in 45 minutes to an hour, right? Some calls I've done 15 minutes close $20,000, right? I say that humbly. It's not happened too often, but you have some individuals that could do that, right? I've done it myself. 15 minutes, you can make $1,000 on the call, $2,000 on the call. $5,000 offer. If you're at 10%, you already know you make 500. So let's do the math. If you take 3 calls a day, 4 calls a day, and only close 2 at $5,000, you just made $1,000 for that day. You with me? This is high ticket sales, y'all. All right. Even if the price point is $1,000, you just made, if it's at 15%, you just made $150, right? So this is a very good space, very lucrative space if you get with the right business owner. Okay, again, I'm gonna go over pros and cons in a whole nother video. I just really want you to get an understanding on what exactly high ticket sales is. All right, family, so that's it for today. You got the concept of what exactly high ticket sales is. If you have any questions, leave a question in the comment section, and also be sure to hit the subscribe button because we about to go heavy in this high ticket sales space. Hey, tap in.